Let's do a couple geometry problems. Here we've got a right triangle. The length of the legs are 7 and 12, and you want to find the length of the hypotenuse, which is marked by x. So it's a GPT summarized formula. C7 is the cell reference, which contains the details of the problem, comma, quotation mark, show the steps for finding the length of the hypotenuse, quotation mark, parentheses. Press enter. And we've got the steps. And it's kind of a funny typing format here. For example, in step 2, it says square each leg, and the equation is 7, and then that funny upward pointing arrow, and then 2. That's supposed to be 7 squared equals 49, and 12 squared equals 144. Sometimes the output shows the superscript squared the way we normally see it, but for some reason this time it's instead of a superscript, it's an upward pointing arrow. And then you see step 5, the length of the hypotenuse is the square root of 193. If you wanted to reduce that down further, you could type this formula. So this formula is just the basic GPT formula, equal sign GPT, parentheses, quotation mark, square root of 193, quotation mark, parentheses. You don't need a cell reference because you've got 193 as part of the formula. We press enter, and the answer is 13.8924. Let's try one more. So now the problem is radius of a circle is 7.5. Find the circumference. The formula is a GPT summarized formula. We're still using that C7 cell reference, and the prompt is show the steps for finding the circumference. We press enter, and we see the steps. Identify, number 1, identify the radius of the circle, 7.5. Use the formula for circumference, C equals 2 pi r. So I see that Google Sheets was able to type the symbol for pi, but I guess they couldn't type a superscript in the previous problem. Anyway, the final result is C equals 47.1, and you have step-by-step instructions for how to find the answer.